How to save Snapchat story to my camera roll. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to save a Snapchat story to your camera roll, you will need to make a few changes in Snapchat settings. So go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. You will be led to the camera. On the top left of your screen, you will see your story or your profile icon. Tap on that and then tap on settings. Scroll down and find the option for memories and tap on that. Here, under Save Destinations, tap on Save button and then tap on Memories and Camera Roll if you want to save the snap in Memories and Camera Roll both. Or if you want to save the snap in just your camera roll, then tap on Camera Roll option. Now go back and tap on your story. You will see three dots there in the top right of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on Save Snap, and you can see I just received a notification regarding my snap being saved to Memories and Camera Roll. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.